Good day everyone. So our topic for today is heating and humidifying. So our problem 1, we have a given of initial 15 Celsius and 40% RH, and our final is 30 Celsius and 60% RH. So itong mass is 1 kg per second. So itong steam is saturated at 100% of degree. So itong nabasa initial is 15 degree and 40% RH. Ito naka W1 is 0.0055. Sa atong final na is 30 Celsius and 60% RH. Ito naka W2 is 0.014. Sa atong delta W is 0.0085 kg water per kilogram air. So atong pinakauna na pagtawag is mass of steam added MS equals mass of steam added equals mass times delta W. We have 0.0085 kg per second. So atong total heat added is X1 equals 32.5. Na atong H2 is 65. And times delta H was 32.5 kg per kilojoules per kilogram air. So atong total heat added is 1 times 32.5 is equals to 32.5 kilowatts. So atong particle is we have a given of 25 Celsius and 30% RH air is passes through humidity and then heater. So atong final condition is 30 degree and 50% of RH. We have a mass of 0.5 kg per second. So atong reward is humidity issue and total heat added. So atong solution we have sa 25 Celsius and 30% RH, we have a W1 0.0068 and atong W2 is sa 30 Celsius to and 50% of RH, we have a 0.011. So itong delta W, we have a 0.0042 kg water per kilogram air. Itong H1 is naparang yan sa 25 and 30. Itong H2 po din naparang sa 30 degree and 50% RH. So itong total heat added is 0.5 times 63 minus 42.3 is equals to 10.35 kilowatts. So itong final formula may mag-given of air at 10 Celsius and 90% relative humidity. We have a steam added final of 30 degree and 70% of relative humidity. So itong mass is 0.7 kg per second. So itong final is steam added in energy required. So itong solution we have a W1 and 0.0072, W2 is 0.016. So itong mass is 0.7 times 0.012 minus 0.072, 16 minus 16 because 0.0062 kg per second. So itong H1 is 29.5 to H2 is 67. Naparang yung mga ito sa 10 and 30 Celsius. So itong Q is equal to 0.7 times 67.29 67 minus 29.5 is equal to 56.25 kg